Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what you feel and why. This reduces blame and keeps the listener engaged. Once done, name the feeling succinctly, then tie it to the specific action you observed so the complaint is about behavior rather than character. Make sure to state the tangible outcome you want. This directs the conversation toward problem solving. You'll sound calm and intentional, and the other person can hear you without mounting a defensive response. You now put the structure into action. State your feeling, name the behavior, and describe its impact. This is the meat of the message because it explains both emotion and cause. After that, pause briefly to invite the other person to respond. This transition prevents interruption and shows you want a two-way exchange. If the moment is tense, slow your pace, lower your tone, and repeat one clear sentence to recenter the interaction before moving to solutions. You finish by summarizing the agreed next steps and confirming specifics so the change is trackable. Once done, thank the person for listening to keep momentum positive and set a follow-up if needed. If they react defensively, calmly repeat your feeling and request one time, then suggest a brief pause. This avoids escalation and preserves the possibility of resolution. Make sure to check progress later. Consistent follow-through reinforces respect and builds trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.